Stegosaurus was one of the most visually distinctive dinosaurs, instantly recognized by the tall plates rising from its back and the spiked tail that defined its silhouette. It lived in the ancient world long before modern landscapes, moving slowly across open plains where large plant-eating animals shaped the environment around them. Despite its dramatic appearance, Stegosaurus was not a predator, relying instead on vegetation to survive in regions filled with cycads, ferns, and low-growing plants. Its small head sat at the front of a massive body, designed for cropping plants rather than processing food through complex chewing or grinding. Food was swallowed largely whole, relying on internal digestion rather than jaw strength, a strategy shared by many large plant-eating animals of the ancient world. The plates along its back were embedded in skin, rising vertically in alternating rows, rather than forming a solid shield or continuous ridge. These plates were filled with blood vessels, suggesting they played an important role beyond appearance alone, possibly linked to body regulation or signaling. When light passed across the plates, their size and position would have made Stegosaurus appear much larger and more imposing to anything nearby. Defense was critical for survival, and Stegosaurus was well equipped for close-range protection rather than speed or endurance. At the end of its tail sat four long spikes, often called a thagomizer, capable of delivering powerful swings toward approaching threats. These spikes were solid, sharp, and positioned to strike low, making them especially dangerous to predators attacking from behind or the side. Stegosaurus relied on awareness and positioning, turning its body to face danger while keeping its tail between itself and potential attackers. Its legs were thick and column-like, built to support heavy weight rather than rapid movement across open ground. The front legs were shorter than the hind legs, giving Stegosaurus a slightly sloped posture that influenced how it walked and fed. This body shape allowed its head to stay close to the ground, where most of its preferred plant food was found. Tracks left behind show that Stegosaurus moved deliberately, placing each foot carefully rather than rushing across the terrain. Its sense of hearing and awareness of vibrations may have helped it detect approaching animals long before they were visible. Stegosaurus likely spent much of its day feeding, moving slowly between patches of vegetation to meet the demands of its large body. Water sources would have been important, drawing multiple animals into shared areas and increasing the chances of encounters. Rather than fleeing, Stegosaurus depended on its ability to stand its ground when threatened. Predators approaching from behind would have faced the most dangerous part of the animal, where the tail spikes could be used effectively. The plates along its back may also have helped individuals recognize one another within the same species. Subtle differences in plate size, shape, or spacing could have played a role in identification or display. Stegosaurus did not dominate through aggression, but through resilience, awareness, and defensive strength. Its survival strategy focused on deterrence, discouraging attacks rather than engaging in prolonged conflict. This balance between vulnerability and defense shaped how Stegosaurus interacted with the world around it. Every part of its body served a purpose, from the low head used for feeding to the tail built for protection. Stegosaurus shared its environment with much larger predators, yet its design allowed it to persist alongside them. Its presence would have influenced how other animals moved, hunted, and approached shared spaces. Over time, Stegosaurus became one of the most recognizable animals of the ancient world. Not because it was fast or aggressive, but because it was unmistakable and well adapted to its surroundings. The combination of plates and tail spikes made it a moving warning rather than an easy target. Stegosaurus shows how defense and structure can be just as important as speed or strength. Its design reflects a creature built to endure rather than dominate through pursuit. Stegosaurus remains a powerful example of how survival can be shaped by patience, awareness, and protection.